Without the metal grill, the space is called what? Actually, can we call it two things? Brian Burris.
Free area.
Free area is primarily what you're seeing in your code book. Free opening. This is considered free area when you just cut a hole in the wall, so many square inches. Hopefully you all know that if you're taking air from inside of a building, it's 1 square inch free area for every 1,000 BTUs. It's 1 square inch for 4,000 when you're taking air from outside, exterior of the building. So this would be a 1-for-1. So if you had 100,000 BTU appliance, you could cut a 10 by 10 opening that would give you 100 square inches. But if you put a louver over that, that means you're going to reduce it by 25%. So the opening is going to have to be bigger than 10 by 10. You're touching on information that when plumbers don't know how to do it and an inspector may not catch this stuff, unfortunately, people succumb to the dynamic stupidity, meaning they die, and it is tragic.